Alright, we're back. So, the stream died out, so I just finished this on my own. Just going to keep this in portrait mode because it's a lot easier as I hold it. Come on, pen, you got this. Alright, so anyway, just to continue about how I finished this. Basically, I broke down the word association, and then I showed some examples of recipes, and then like examples of the substitutes on those recipes. You have peanut butter and jelly, you have the wheat bread, and switch that out for a different flavor of jelly, jam, or bread, or white. Change the peanut butter to almond butter. For apple pie, you have butter. Change that to margarine. For cinnamon, you can change it to sugar, flour, etc. So then I asked, how can I identify my substitutes? Because I want to be able to figure out how do I show these substitutes rather than the recipes, because the recipes are already going to be there. So I came up with this list idea. Scanned list, comparisons, and alternatives can be displayed. And then take a picture of all ingredients, the labels of the brand and the barcode. But on this list idea, I thought, what if I take the from the recipe book, so you scan from the recipe book somehow. Maybe the book is compatible with list scanning capabilities, it has like a QR code or an icon, and then it works with devices with a camera, which everyone will have, especially when they're cooking. So I came up with a quick use case. Basically, the question was, I want to make an apple pie. I don't have the required ingredients. What can I substitute in this recipe? So there's a question. So you open your cookbook, you find the recipe, check the page for recipe scannability, icon next to the recipe title and info. You'll see it down below. Open the recipe camera app, or maybe the substitute app. Could be incorporated somewhere. The scan icon, or include the icon in the picture to start the comparison process, so it reads the words and the icon. It'll replace the processing, it'll be replacing, processing, scanning, that'll be what is displayed in the camera view, and then alternative replacements and substitutes are displayed adjacent to the ingredients or on top of, etc. So, basically the process is basically you look at the book, this is what the drawing would look like. You look at the book, Cam's apple pie, that's what you normally see. So in this case, you add the icon for the scanning capability, or a scan available for it. Open up your camera, scan the apple pie. The ingredients are listed below. And then finally, the results of Cam's apple pie are shown next to it. They're digitally displayed on the cookbook. So it sounds like they're always placed next to or adjacent to, etc. And yeah, so you're able to recognize the recipe, switch out or replace things that are alternatives, and help you answer your question, what can I substitute in this recipe? So yeah, sorry for the stream die earlier. I'll see you guys tomorrow.